Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sumbili. So in this video, I thought I should share our nightly cleaning routine. I'll be showing you guys how we put the house back in order at the end of the day. When I say we, I mean myself and my three kids. Life happens and it gets really crazy in this house, but at the end of the day, we all work together to tidy up our little space. So if you're interested in this kind of video, then please stick around. So recently I have started involving the kids into my night cleaning routine. I get them to at least pick up all their toys and put them right back into their toy box, pick up all the plates and cups and send them back to the kitchen. Zuri's job specifically is usually to pick up all the cushions and put them back on the couch. It takes a lot of energy to coordinate them and to get them to really focus and not turn this into another play moment. So many times I actually prefer to just do it all by myself, but then it's part of training, it makes them more responsible. Just knowing that every night we have to get the house clean again before bedtime. So once they are done now, they've gone upstairs to have their bath. Their dad is gonna put them to bed. I just have to focus and do the rest of the tidying up, just do a little dusting, vacuuming, and then head to the kitchen, which is where the main job is.
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying. Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down. Putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose
So today I'm using my own cleaning solution, which is amazing by the way. Here I have 1 part vinegar, 1 part water, squeezing some lemon juice, and then added a few drops of dishwashing liquid. You can also add essential oil. I usually add lemon flavor just to take away that vinegar smell. However, if you want to use this to clean your windows and glasses, I recommend 2 part vinegar and 1 part water. That way you don't get streak mark on your glass and windows. So for the floor, I usually clean the floor every night. I use this antibacterial floor wipes because this is where the kids eat most of the time and they usually drop food crumbs on the floor. They pick up foods from here, so at the end of the day I just use these floor wipes to wipe it down.
smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye. Lock the door for 3, 2, 1. And then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say. And then I lose it.
Alright, so over to the kitchen, I did some meal prepping during the day, so I'll be packing up some of the foods. Here I have my chopped off onions. I usually chop off some onions using the food processor. which I store up in the fridge. That way it's easier for me to use during the week. I usually make eggs for the kids for breakfast, and my kids love onions in their eggs. In fact, they don't eat egg that doesn't have any onion in it. So I usually chop onions every morning. So this helps me a lot. I also have an extra white rice which I will use the next day for a quick jollof rice for the kids. The dishwasher is already loaded, so I will be adding the rest of the dishes and then go ahead to hand wash the bulky dishes. Sometimes I wish my dishwasher was big enough to contain all the dishes because I don't like washing plates. I will always prefer to tidy up the entire house, wash bathroom, cook for 100 people than to wash plates. But hey, I'm still super grateful that it does 90% of my dishes for me. I can't complain. Even as a kid, oh my god, I just remember this and it's so funny. I usually trade my chicken with my sister. We agree that she's gonna do my dishes for me and then she gets to have my chicken for the rest of the week. I don't know if my mom was ever aware of that, but it really worked for us. I guess it's just boring standing one place and just washing. I don't know.
Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying.
So if you see me throwing trash under my sink, that's because I have a little basket in there where I throw in recycled trash. So here in England, all the trash are kind of sectioned. We have the general waste basket, we have the food only waste bin, and then the recycle bin. So usually I keep mine under the sink, the recycled ones, I keep them under the sink and then take it out every morning.
I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just so deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a. Then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Soaking the moments you live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
So if you see me always looking at the camera, that's because I use the Sony A5100 and a lot of time this camera just overheats and stops recording. So many times I've realized that I've been working without being captured, so I usually look up to make sure I'm still recording and to make sure that the camera is on.
And live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
We were once inseparable. We were closer than two of a kind. The bond was almost palpable. Solemn oaths with our blood that were signed. But time flies. Yes, time flies. Youth goes where it always goes, and we were both led by life to our own. Two paths led in parallel before winding up into the unknown. Yes, time flies.
What can I do without this floor wipe? I love that it's also antibacterial, so I'm disinfecting at the same time. Even though I don't like this particular brand from Aldi, I feel like it's too heavily scented. I usually use the one from Lidl, but of course, during the pandemic, we had no choice. I grabbed anyone that I saw in the store. I just can't wait to finish it so I can go back to my Lidl.
If we are reunited, you and
So yeah, this is the finished look. It's so refreshing waking up the next day to a clean kitchen. So now I'm going to close up the blinds and turn off the lights and then head on to do some laundry.
yes, time flies.
So my life is a never-ending pile of laundry. It's like 1 minute I'm on top of my laundry game, and then the next minute the entire baskets are filled up with clothes waiting for you to wash. I just can't keep up. But I've decided to wash up every day rather than let them pile up and get me overwhelmed. Also, I would really love to hear from you guys. Please comment down below. How do you deal with your laundry? Is it a weekly thing for you or a daily thing? I'm going to fold these baskets tonight. I have two other baskets waiting for me upstairs, but not tonight. I cannot come and kill myself. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and fold up these ones. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are coming to my channel for the first time, and then give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. and I will see you all in my next video. Okay.